Hey guys, welcome back to art class. Today we are going to be talking about the colors of the rainbow, and we are going to be learning an acronym called ROYGBV. This week we are looking at the colors of the rainbow. So if you look at this picture right here, this object right here is called a prism, and it's made out of glass. So when the light hits the prism from one side, here's the light right here, it comes out of it, it bounces back out on the opposite side, and we see the colors of the rainbow that come out from the other side. So this one light creates all these different colors. What are the colors of the rainbow in order? The first color of the rainbow is red. We have red. Does anyone know what the second color is after red? If you said orange, you are correct. After orange comes what? Yellow. Yellow is next. So we have red, orange, yellow. After yellow comes green. So red, orange, yellow, green, and then blue. Does anyone know the last color of the rainbow? The very last color is purple or violet. Violet is another word for purple. And if you have trouble remembering the order of the colors of the rainbow, think of ROYGBV. ROYGBV. So again, those are the colors in order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. Violet is purple once again. ROYGBV. All right, so now that we have talked about the colors of the rainbow in order, we are going to do a little art project with those colors of the rainbow. Here is one of my completed ones. So this is what we're making today. We're going to be making a snail with the colors of the rainbow. The first thing that you will need to get is a piece of paper. If all you have is notebook paper, that is perfectly fine. That's what I'm going to be using today. And we're going to start out with our black crayon. So you can use your crayons, or if you have colored pencils, you can use that. We're going to start with black right here. And you can follow along with me and draw as I draw. The first thing I'm going to do is draw the shell of my snail. So I'm going to make this big swirl shape like this. Notice how I'm getting bigger and bigger. And once I come back around like this, then I'm going to end it right here. That's the end of my shell. Okay, and then I'm going to draw the little head of my snail coming out of the shell. And here's the two little antennae. And here's the eye and the mouth. Don't forget the tail at the end. Make sure when you draw nice and big. You fill up your paper. Don't draw little teeny tiny, because then we can't see it, and then it's harder to color in. Alright, so now I've drawn our snail. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some stripes to it. So when you are drawing your stripes, make sure that you space them out nicely. Notice that my lines aren't too close together. And we're just going to go around and around like this until we reach the end of our snail shell. What you do not want to do is this. Do not draw a whole bunch of lines. That's way too many. Okay, it'll take you much longer to finish this if you're drawing all these lines. So don't draw too many. Draw a good amount just like this. So now that we have drawn our snail, we're going to go ahead and color it in. Alright, I'm going to go back to my crayons and I'm going to find the colors of the rainbow. Now, my pack of crayons has 24 in them. Make sure when you choose your colors, you read the name of your crayon. It should be on the wrapper, just like this. So that's red. Make sure you don't grab the wrong color. This one says red violet. And do we need red violet? Not for today. We have not talked about red violet yet, so we're not going to use that one for today. I'm going to go ahead and find all my other colors, make sure I'm using the correct ones. So I have red, I have orange right here, I have yellow. This is not right, this is yellow-green, so I don't want that. I want green. There it is, green. And I have blue. Here is blue. There might be some other crayons that look like it, such as indigo or cerulean. Those are types of blue, but we're not going to use those today. We just want good old regular blue. And the last one we are using today is, no, not blue violet, not blue violet. We want just violet by itself, or purple. So I have these 6 colors. I'm just going to put all my other crayons to the side. I don't need those for today. We'll use them at another time. Alright, so red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, ROYGBV. The first color, so I'm going to start in the on the outside right here. And actually, no, I'm going to start on the inside. I'm going to start in the center, very center circle right here. And I'm going to start with my first color, red. Red is the first color in the rainbow. Make sure when you're coloring, you color nice and neatly. It is not a race to see who finishes first. The slower you color, the more neat it will look, and the better your artwork will look. So after red comes orange. Again, color nice and neatly. Once I've finished orange, my next color is yellow. Also, make sure you don't press too hard on your crayons. You don't want to press too hard and then accidentally break your crayons. Treat your crayons very nicely. After yellow comes green. So notice how I'm just following the path of the swirl. So it's going around. After green is blue. And after blue is violet. So I finished red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. I still have all these extra spaces, so I'm going to start over again with red. And I'm going to keep going until I complete my entire snail. And the body of the snail, you can do whatever color you want. I'm going to choose to make the body of my snail blue. But if you want to do yours green or purple or red, you can do that. And again, don't forget the tail. So when you are finished coloring your snail, it should look something like this. Now, I know with this example, I used paint. If you do have paint available to you, you're more than welcome to paint your snail. But if you just have crayons, use those crayons. Crayons work perfectly fine. I did add some grass at the bottom of my snail, so if you want to add some grass here like this and just color it in with your crayons, you can do that. You can also color your background. My background here is purple, but you can do your background whatever color you want. So hopefully you were able to follow along with this video and create your snail. Once you have finished making your snail, what I want you to do is take a picture with it, either with your phone or your tablet, or maybe you have a Chromebook or a laptop. Take a picture of your artwork and upload it to Canvas and submit it to me in this week's assignment. Thanks, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!